Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn grammar, and in that, articles, which is the first and second part of articles. In 7th standard textbook, it is lesson number 7 and 8. And this is the first video. Let's begin with our articles. It is on page number 31. Now here it says the little words, the a and are called articles. A is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. Here they have given the examples. A bag, a house, a year, a union. Now these bag, house, year, all these are called consonants. Understand? And an apple, an hour, an honest man, an MLA, an umbrella. The sound, the phonetic sound, vowel sound, before that we have to use an. For simpler way, you can understand in, Hindi, whatever the, जो बारह खड़ी होती है हिंदी की, उसमें जो हम पहले वाले अल्फाबेट्स यूज करते हैं अ आ ई उ, it is simpler to understand. That's why I'm giving you these examples. ये वाले जो बारह खड़ी के ऊपर वाले जो दो लाइंस होते हैं, अ आ ई उ ए ओ, all these alphabets से जो भी sound होता है उसके आगे हम एन लगाएंगे. See for example, an apple, a, and r. We never say hover, we say r. H is silent. So r. So a. An honest, o. An MLA, an umbrella, All these sounds are called vowel sounds. ये सारे अल्फाबेट्स वॉवल्स नहीं है. एम वॉवल नहीं है, एच वॉवल नहीं है, पर हम जब इनको बोलते हैं तो वॉवल साउंड निकलता है. That is why an is used before them. And see on the A side, a European is given. Even though it starts with E, which is a vowel, okay, but फिर भी उसके आगे A लगाया है. क्यों? क्योंकि यूरोपियन बोलते हैं, ई यूरोपियन नहीं बोलते हैं. यू नहीं आता है वॉवल साउंड में. यू रिमेंबर व्हाट आर विच आर द वॉवल्स? ए ई आई ओ यू. तो ये ए ई आई ओ यू ये वाले अल्फाबेट के साउंड से, वो पर्टिकुलर अल्फाबेट से नहीं, रिमेंबर, ये वाले अल्फाबेट के साउंड से जो भी स्टार्ट होता है उसको हम वॉवल्स बोलते हैं. तो वॉवल साउंड होना जरूरी है. वॉवल अल्फाबेट नहीं हो तब भी चलेगा. यहाँ पे देखो यूरोपियन, ई इज अ वॉवल अल्फाबेट बट स्टिल द फोनेटिक साउंड, जो उसका साउंड है, इट इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. यूरोपियन. अ यूनियन, देखो यू ऑल्सो इज अ वॉवल लेकिन यूनियन बोलते हैं. अम्ब्रेला में यू है लेकिन अ यूज होता है. वॉवल साउंड जब हम बोलते हैं उसको तो साउंड अ यूज होता है. Understood the difference? Let's proceed further. Now see here they have given the example. The words European and Union begin with a consonant sound. The words are honest and MLA begin with a vowel sound. It is a sound that matters, not the spelling. So you understand? जो साउंड, जो हम जब ये वर्ड्स बोलते हैं तो जो साउंड निकलता है हमारे मुंह से फर्स्ट, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. उसका स्पेलिंग इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. वो किस अल्फाबेट से स्टार्ट होता है दैट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. When we are talking about a person or thing for the first time, we use a or n. When we refer to the same person or thing again, we use the. You are understanding? Whenever we are talking about a person or a thing, पहली बार जब हम उनके बारे में बात करते हैं, for the first time, we use a or n. When we are continuing that talk, जब हम उसके बारे में ज्यादा बात करते हैं, same person या thing के बारे में, तो हम the use करते हैं. See here they have given the example. Suresh found a letter on his table. We don't know which letter. And when we are talking again about the same letter, see the letter is used. पहले वाले sentence में a letter था. Second वाले sentence में when we are talking about the same letter, we use the. The letter was addressed to Mr. Ashok Kumar. Now we know which letter. तो पहले फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में हमको पता नहीं था कि वो लेटर किस बारे में है. Only we know that it was a letter. Then we came to know that it was addressed to Mr. Ashok Kumar. The one just talked about, the one Suresh found on his table. We use the when it is clear which person or thing we mean. We use a or n when it is not clear which person or thing we mean. That means when we are sure about anything, we use the. And when we are unsure, don't know about that thing, we use a or n. Note that a or n is used only before countable nouns, things that can be counted. I met him at the station in this town. Gopal has cleaned the car. That means we are talking about a particular car. The girl standing there is my sister. Again, this we are talking about the person we know, the girl. The words standing there tell us which girl. Now, we have to compare the above sentences with the following, where a is used before the same nouns. The train stopped at a station. We do not know which station was there. हम train में बैठे हैं and we know the train has stopped at a station. They went in a car. कौन सी कार में गए नहीं पता. He was talking to a girl this morning. Which girl? We do not know. Now when we are talking about something familiar, for example in your house, you may talk about the floor, the hall, the kitchen, because your house has only one floor, one hall and one kitchen. Similarly, we say the door, the ceiling, the floor, the light of a room, the station, the airport, the hospital of a town. We may say the headmaster of the school you go to, the chief minister, that is the chief minister of our state, the prime minister, that means the prime minister of our country. A similar use of the is with the names of things which are the only ones of their kind. That means which are, we can say names of the things in the universe. The sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the world. Okay, we always name them with we use the with these names. We use the before superlatives. For example, the tallest, the best, because there is only one tallest, one best, and before ordinals, that is numbers like the first, the second, the third, he secured the first position, like that. Example, the first, the fifth. We use a or n apart from its use referred to above. In the sense of one, can you wait a minute? The bag costs 100 rupees. When we are talking about anything which is only one, okay, we use a before that. Okay, even though 100 is more than one, but we are talking about one note. So the bag costs 100 rupees. Next is in the sense of each and every. The cloth is rupees 70 a meter. I got to my hometown twice a week. Then to say what kind of thing or person something or somebody is, or what somebody's job is. What's this? What's that noise? It is a helicopter. An ostrich is a bird. Usha is a clever girl. This is a very good book. So you understand, it is more or less like when we are using about one thing, whether it is each and every, whether it is person, thing, anything. More or less it is about one thing we are discussing. एक ही चीज के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking only about one, जो चीज को डिनोट करता है, बताता है, we use a for that. My father is a doctor. So when we are talking about profession, we also use a. We also use the before a singular noun to make general statements about animals or things. The lion is a wild animal. The lion means it stands for all the lions in the world. Okay. The rose is a beautiful flower. We are talking about all the roses in general. Rich, poor, young, old, blind, unemployed, etc., which are without a noun, to talk about groups of people. We must help the blind. When we say the blind, we mean all the blind people on the earth. The young have the future in their hands. We are talking about all the young men on the earth, young people on the earth. Okay. And before the names of musical instruments, I can play the violin. She is learning the flute. Understood, children? Now, here is the exercise. Fill in the blanks using a, an, or the. Now, see the first sentence. A man and a woman are standing there because we do not know who they are. So, we use a. Then the man was lean and tall. The woman was short and stout. Now, when we are talking again about the same people, we use the for both. See the second sentence. Can you play the flute? Why have we used the? Because the is used for musical instruments as well. Pratap is the cleverest boy. Cleverest के पहले हमने the use किया because it is a superlative. In the class because we are talking about particular class. The tiger is a very dangerous animal. The tiger means all the tigers on the earth. I will be back in an hour. Why an? Because of vowel sound. Will you open the window please? The window means we are talking about a particular window. Understood everyone? She is a nurse. I would like to speak to the principal. Why the? Because we are giving respect to that position. The principal. एक ही principal होता है. So the principal. She is a nurse. बहुत सारी nurses होती हैं. I bought a shirt and a tie. Now when we are talking about the same thing, a is singular. एक चीज के लिए use किया गया है, एक shirt and एक tie. When we are talking about the same thing again, we use the. The tie was very expensive. 12 inches make a foot. When we are talking about a single thing, one we use a. Who is the boy standing at the gate? When we are talking about a particular boy and the particular gate, we use the. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. The first, you remember? We use the for such things, first, fifth, like that. To walk on the moon. The means the things which are in the universe. An elephant is a very strong animal. Why did we use an? Because of the vowel sound E. It is fair that the rich should pay higher taxes than the poor. You understand? The rich and the poor, we are talking about all the rich people on the earth and all the poor people on the earth. What is the capital of Pakistan? The why we have used? Because it's a place with a designation. It's the capital. Okay. Have you got a camera? Could I borrow it? Single thing we are talking about. Excuse me, can you tell me where the toilet is? We are talking about something particular. I go to Mumbai twice a month. एक month की बात हो रही है, so we use a. She slipped in the bathroom and broke her leg because we are talking about a particular place. The book on the table is mine. Again, both the things, book and the table, are in particular, so we use the. Understood, everyone? Thank you so much, children. Stay home, stay safe.